So it's 2 pounds of lean hamburger, fresh parsley, almond flour, fennel seeds, garlic powder, salt, pepper, 2 eggs, or 1 egg per pound of hamburger. So whisk up the eggs, a teaspoon of the fennel seeds, a teaspoon of the garlic powder, and we'll do a teaspoon of salt, like half a teaspoon of pepper. So the almond flour we'll add, and then the parsley. Then I usually just mix this up a little bit, and then we'll add the hamburger meat. And then you just make it into patties. Whenever I'm buying hamburger, I usually try to get the leanest hamburger, or bison too, which you can get at Costco. I think, of course, the great thing about hamburger is there's a lot of protein. Usually I try to cook them to 160 degrees. It's a hamburger, so you can put it on a bun, ketchup, mustard. But one thing I've been using lately that I love, I really love gyros. And so when you have a gyro, with the sauce that they put on it, it's called tzatziki sauce. And you can get this at Costco. It's my favorite one that I've found.